Hello. Today is Tuesday, February 7th, and it's the beginning of week 4 for you guys. I wanted to go and look at week 3 just to kind of review what you've been doing. So last week, you read Universal Design for Learning Theory and Practice, Chapter 2, pages 15 through 21. You did the quest on Twitter by explaining your idea of an expert learner. And I'm hoping that some of you posted a GIF or a picture. Since it was due last night, I haven't looked today. I'm going to start. As well as I'm starting to grade your assignments, your tech tool or website reflection. If you had asked me for an extension, you know that I gave that to you. And so you just need to turn that in as soon as you get that done. And I'm leaving it up to you to decide when to do it. Try and remind you, but that's something that I want you to take on yourselves. All right, so let's go back into the weekly units and see what's up for week 4. Are you an expert learner? So we're going to get into that concept. So the goal is, who is an expert learner? We define expertise not as a destination, but rather as a process of becoming more expert on a continuum of development. So the content is the second half of Chapter 2, pages 22 to 28 in the digital version. Make sure you're watching the videos within this reading. Quest 4, which is due next Monday night, using the hashtag, of course, hashtag 136UDLCUR, identify a tech tool or website used in another classroom besides your own. So now that you've looked at what a tech tool or website is, you can look at one besides your own. And then your reflection or assignment for this week is to post in keepers and queries from Chapter 2, and you can get there just by clicking right on here. So you're going to write your keepers, things that you want to keep. It does not have to be a quote unless that's what you want to remember. But if you do a quote, you still need to reflect in your own words what it is you want to remember and why it's important to you. And then a queries are questions you have from the readings. And I can tell from Chapter 1 that a lot of the questions come around to, how come a lot of people don't know about Universal Design for Learning? Is it being used in classrooms? And the answer to that is complex. New ideas in the education world, just like in everywhere else, take a long time. And there are times when it comes and progress is pretty linear, and then we can level off and go down a little bit and up. So one way we can tell there is progress in the UDL front is that the new Education Act that was signed in by the last administration, Obama, replaced or updated basically No Child Left Behind. So No Child Left Behind was in place when you guys were in elementary and high school, and now there is something called the ESSA, or the Every Student Succeeds Act. Every 8-year administration pretty much updates the federal rules around education because things change. So in the current one, there was a lot of good things in No Child Left Behind, and there were some things that needed to be moved forward. A lot of the great things in No Child Left Behind had to do with rights for students with disabilities. So those were kept, and then moving forward in the Every Student Succeeds Act, actually Universal Design for Learning is added into that. So you're going to see a lot more schools participating and trying to understand what that is and what that means for the huge variety of learners in every classroom. Here close to us, Sanger has a Universal Design for Learning rollout that they're in their 2nd or 3rd year. Fresno Unified is just starting theirs, and I'm not sure about the other districts. So when you question, have I seen this? Do other teachers know about it? The answer is some do, some don't. Going forward, there's going to be a lot of UDL Lens, so it's really great that you guys are getting this at this part of your journey. All right, so keep up doing the quests. Make sure you continue to contact me if you have any questions or concerns. I think those of you who did, I'm pretty good at responding if I'm not driving or sleeping. And make sure you have a great week. Thanks. Bye.